Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. On this Tiguan we're going to go over how you would add your antifreeze or engine coolant. This is your engine coolant reservoir, little ball. It's on the right hand side of your vehicle, and we have a max and a min mark here to fill this up. This is your only location for filling up your engine coolant on this vehicle. And you would never remove this if your engine coolant is hot. The steam can come off and you can get burned, or it could splash hot water out at you. So you'll just take this cap, spin it off, add your engine coolant until you're at the max line here, and then be able to put the cap back on. Now if you're filling this up because you drained all the fluid out of it because you were doing some other work on it, again, you'll just be putting it all through here. It's going to run down this hose and run into the system, and so it may take a little bit longer to get everything to fill up in the system because it's not very large hoses for the water to go through, or the engine coolant. And that's where you would add your engine coolant on your 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.